Hello everyone, I'm Kahan from INSIZE India. In today's smart manufacturing world, precision is no longer just about numbers, it's about the data. Today, I'd like you to show how INSIZE India helped a leading automotive manufacturer move from manual recording to a fast wireless IIoT system. Our client is a Tier 2 automotive component manufacturer producing over 50,000 units every month. But they were stuck in what we call the manual trap. A simple 15-minute measurement process could take up to 25 minutes, and just because of the manual recording. And there was about 4% error rate caused by typing mistakes. For example, recording 12.45 millimeters as 12.54 millimeters. So in reality, managers were always working with yesterday's data without any real-time visibility. To solve this, they implemented the INSIZE IIoT ecosystem. The system uses wireless communication protocols based on IEEE 802. It includes transmitters, external wireless modules, or tools with the built-in wireless, along with the USB multi-channel receivers. Once a measurement is taken, the data is directly sent and entered directly into the system like Excel, Notepad, or the ERP platforms. Just like typing on a keyboard, no manual input is needed, and the upgrade was done in 2 phases. In 2023, we started the pilot test on a micrometer station. The data could be entered in less than 0.9 seconds. And by 2025, the system was fully deployed with the wireless tools across the production floor and receivers installed every 10 meters. This step-by-step approach ensured a smooth transition without interrupting the production, and the results were clear and measurable. The data entry time dropped from 10 to 15 seconds to less than 0.9 seconds. The accuracy improved to 100%, completely eliminating the manual errors. Reporting moved from an 8-hour delay to the real-time data. At the same time, the operator fatigue was reduced. The overall quality control efficiency increased by up to 30% and without adding extra staff. The INSIZE IIoT didn't just improve efficiency, it changed how data supports quality control. Thank you all for your attention. For more solutions, please visit www.insize.com.